Have you ever done anything in your life with the whole of your heart and everything within your power? But at the end of the day, guess what happens? The outcome is really showing that you weren't even serious at all. Having that kind of experience is really heartbreaking, I must tell you. And so, you might be forced to come to the conclusion that maybe, just maybe, it is as a result of some external factors. For example, maybe someone or people are really trying to wish hunt you, but it is rather a silent pattern that has to do with an internal blueprint that you are not even aware about, that you are be following all along. Now listen to this. The aim of today's video is not just to make you to know that there is a silent pattern, but more importantly, today's video is here to enable you to actually break free from the silent pattern, just like the way that I also broke free from perfectionism. And because I was able to do it, I know that you can also achieve it. And so, I am someone that really loves perfectionism in whatever that I wanted to do. And I always want to make sure that everything should be perfect. And so, before ever I upload any of my videos here on YouTube, guess what? I will always make sure that there are no imperfections. No lapses in my videos, but the truth is this: what you might really be seeing as excellent on the outside, to me, Dora, it is always filled with faults. And so, there is always this strong feeling of I should have done it like this, or I should have done it like that. Whenever I watched my own videos or content here on YouTube, and this really brings to me a very high level of dissatisfaction. And so it makes me to start overthinking. I also spend so much of my time and then energy in editing my videos because I have this fear of people are going to judge me. Guess what really delayed me in starting this channel? I am not proud to tell you, but I just have to. Perfectionism was the very thing that really held me back for some years. When I had this idea and then urge of creating my own content here on YouTube, because I always have been looking at making sure that I have all the needed gadgets and all the ideas before ever I start posting my content here on YouTube. And guess what? You and I know that the economy is not really smiling with us. And so, since I cannot get everything perfect and figured out just exactly like the way I wanted things to be before ever I start uploading or creating my content, it now pushed me into what? Procrastinating, until the very day that I decided to let go of perfectionism, and then I was able to upload my first video here on YouTube on this channel. And there is something that I really want you to know from my experience with perfectionism. Guess what? Perfectionism can really be so exhausting. And why am I saying this? It is because I always used to really care more about the packaging of my content or videos than the real message that is so dear to me that I really want to share with you. And so, guess what? That is really a big problem. And why is it a big problem? It is a problem because there is now this big gap which is really affecting my channel growth, and I am not really happy about it. I had to share my own experience with you on perfectionism so that you can also see clearly how you can really connect, my own experience to your own personal experience, and also for you to really be aware that you are not alone in what you are currently passing through in your life. Now, let us really take a look at three silent patterns that might really be keeping you stuck in life. Number one is the permission trap. You are where you are in life right now, and that is simply because you have been waiting patiently for someone or people to come and tell you that you can start. Or you are waiting for someone or people to tell you that you have what it takes to succeed before ever you can do whatever that you are supposed to do in your life. And it is for your own growth. It is for you to grow. And that is why you are stuck, because you are not doing the needful. Number two, the what if question. You always used to ask yourself the what if question, and it has always made you to start spending minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and sometimes even years doing what? Just over analyzing every positive, negative outcome or results. And before you know it, you are already tired to start. And so this circle keeps going on, and that really lands you right where you are right now in life, which is what? Being stuck. Number three, the fear of leaving your comfort zone. Your comfort zone has really kept you stuck in life unknowingly to you, because you are actually feeling more relaxed, staying in where you are, rather than actually venturing into the unknown that you are not sure about. Congratulations. Now that you are now aware of the silent patterns that have really kept you stuck in life, it now brings us to how can you actually break free from these patterns. Now listen, I have three actionable steps for you to really follow in order for you to break free from the silent patterns. Number one, the 70% rule. Yes, you just have to aim for good enough, and it will enable you to get out of the door. And then let me ship in this right here, okay? From my personal experience that I shared with you earlier in this video, I want you to know that my growth really started the very moment that I started and then published my first video here on YouTube on this channel, and not before. Yes. Number two, interrupt the impulse. Whenever you are having the urge to start over analyzing, the question is, what are you supposed to do? You must take one physical action, like writing the first sentence or making that call within 5 seconds without delaying or delay. Number three, you have to really audit the internal voice. For instance, if that subtle voice within your head that only you can hear keeps on telling you that you are not good enough, the big question is this: what are you going to do? I mean, what is the way forward? You just have to pause for a moment and then take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. And when you do that, ask yourself this important question: is this voice actually saying your words, or it is actually saying the words that others are saying about you? It is very important that you really know this. Who exactly owns those words that is whispering always in your head? Okay? It is very important. If you want more help concerning this matter, you can kindly watch my video on living by approval. It is on my channel. Check it out and watch it. That will be displayed on the screen of this video for you to see. In that video, I really went into detail, and trust me when I say it, you are going to gain a lot from that video. Yes. I want you to know that growth in reality really starts with you being honest to yourself. And that is why you have to really answer this very question that I am about to ask you with all honesty. Okay? Now, what is one thing that you have been perfecting instead of you doing in your life? Drop your answer in the comment section below, and let us hold each other accountable, to be able to finish it this week. It is very important. Don't dodge it. It is for your own good. Don't get it twisted, because the world does not need you to be perfect, but the world rather needs you to be yourself and be always present in it. And if I was able to touch that soft spot in your heart, then give this video a like, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any of my new videos here on YouTube, YouTube is going to notify you. I am Dora Bob, and I will see you in my next video. Don't go nowhere.